little nervous and I don't know my way around, but it's gonna be an adventure. So let's go. Let's do this. This is how Croatia is welcoming me, guys, with some Chakira and those mountains. Go, Nene!
Watch me whip. Watch me, nay. Gosh it. Yeah.
And I'm gonna show you so much, what's really crazy. You should've known better.
Check what we gotta do.
Oh shit, we're not allowed to sing.
No, you're not.
This is what dreams are made of. Hey now, hey now. Bring up. Do you think he's gonna go with us all the way?
Yeah, I get tired quickly. Wait, yeah. She's a puppy, huh?
Gentle. Okay, those are my gloves. Look at this! There you go. So this is the mountain we went up to. Took us about 5 hours. My knees are killing me, but it was such a good adventure. And we are finally down. We have made a beautiful friend. We name him Crow for Croatia. And he went all the way up with us. And that's his home. Look at him. It was so nice meeting you. Yes, it was. Yeah, it was nice meeting you.